guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Sassy Doctor. I hope you all are doing great. And today I'm gonna be talking about a lip and cheek tint because I have been hearing about this a lot and I really wanted to try some tint. Today I'm gonna be talking about a lip and cheek tint by Just Herbs, and it says that it has Javitri, jojoba and rich starch, and it's creamy matte finish. The product is around 4 gram and it would cost you around 695 or 675. Right now, whatever you're seeing on my face, this blush and pink lipstick or whatever you consider it, this is exclusively just a tint. I haven't used any other product for that, for this cute pinky cheeks and lips. I have just used a lip and cheek tint that I recently purchased. Of course, मैंने थोड़ा सा base makeup किया है because it won't be visible that much. So I'll show you this in a bit. First thing first, I think I'll show you the packaging, how it looks. It looks something like this. So here is a closer view of this packaging, and it would cost you around 695 as of now on Nykaa, and the shade that I got is shade 03 Pale Pink. Although their shade range is not that wide, it comes just in 7 shades. If you purchase this tint from Just Herbs site, you can get 2 tints for around 795, और अगर आप एक ही लेते हो तो it would cost you 695. तो मतलब just 100 rupees extra pay करके you can get 2 tints just by paying 100 rupees extra. And how cool is that? Also, this product is free of parabens, silicons, LSS and beeswax, and this is a vegan product. From inside, this is plastic. The lid which is present here is plastic, and एक और इसमें lid है, ये भी plastic की ही है, तो इसको मैं हटा लेती हूँ. This is of, I think, glass maybe, and it looks something like this from inside. I really wanted to try one shade one at a time because let's face it, किसी के पास इतने पैसे नहीं होते कि वो पूरा range purchase कर ले, as I'm not that big of an influencer. So I purchased just one and I really wanted to try how it turns out. अगर मुझे अच्छा लगेगा तो of course I'll buy it again, same shade or the other. Now, if I talk about price, then this would cost you around 695 bucks for just one tint. I think it's a bit expensive for a tint, but I think if you buy this तो use भी उस तरीके से ही होगा और ज़्यादा मेकअप या फिर ज़्यादा रेडी होने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. अगर आप कॉलेज या अपने वर्क प्लेस पे जा रहे हो तो you don't need to put on so much makeup that you tend to be like my skin is breaking out and I'm not feeling myself. So कभी कभी जब normally when we are running late और हम इतना ready नहीं होना है तो we can just use a moisturizer and this tint and we are good to go. I purchased this from Nykaa for around 675 or 85, something like that. I'll mention it here. So what I like about this tint is that it's very moisturizing. It's not drying onto your lips or onto your cheeks. Even if I apply my hand, तो बहुत ही moisturized सी feeling आ रही है. It's not like कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry हो रहा है मेरा face, even though I have applied some concealer. So it's looking great, I guess. मेकअप हम लोग डेली नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन टेंट हम लोग डेली यूज़ कर सकते हैं as it's more accessible, और you just have to take it और थोड़ा सा लेके डैप करना है अपने चीक पे और लिप्स पे and you are good to go. And one more thing that I noticed with this is that जब मास्क पहनते हैं तो it's not that much transferable, which is very good. And when you eat, the tint on your lips doesn't go away just like that. It stays, and I think it also depends how you eat your food, which decides कि tint lips पे आपके रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा. Also, if you are already using some lip or cheek tint, let me know in the comment section below. And if you really like it, let me know. I'll love to try it too. You can also follow me on Instagram as Sassy_Doctor, and you can know me much better there. And you can interact with me, ask me things there as well. Currently what I'm doing is, not just me, maximum of the people were they do is that they use a ring light. तो light में ये थोड़ा अलग लगता है. I'll take my phone outside and show you कि बाहर daylight में ये कैसा लगेगा. So what I have done is that I'm done with my base makeup. I just put on some primer and concealer onto my areas which I want to hide, and I just fill in my eyebrows. Usually what I do is that before starting my makeup I apply lip balm onto my lips, so that when I apply my lipstick तो इतना dry ना हो मेरे lips, because I tend to use liquid lipsticks more. So but for this I'm not gonna be applying any lip balm. You can see बिल्कुल ड्राई है मेरे लिप्स, जस्ट टू सी कि इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी एक्चुअल में है कैसी, ड्राइंग है या मॉइस्चराइजिंग है. तो उसके लिए आई एम नॉट अप्लाइंग एनी लिप बाम. So you can see I have applied the tint onto my lips and it looks fabulous. This is not drying at all, very moisturized, and I don't think with time this would dry. बहुत ही moisturizing है और I think it's good. For cheeks, what you have to do is just take a decent amount of the tint and dab it and blend with your fingertips onto the apples of your cheeks and gently blend it out. And it can be layered for more intensifying color as well. I have applied it onto my nose too. Just keeping in mind that the highlight of this video is the tint that I have used onto my cheek and lips as well. What I'm gonna be doing is आँखें थोड़ी सी अधूरी लग रही है, तो I'm just gonna curl my lashes and I'm gonna apply a mascara, and I'll be back after that. So I'm back after applying mascara. This mascara that I have used is also new. I'll review it some other video, but for me, if I want to use this lip and cheek tint, then I think it would be with the very minimal makeup, because the whole purpose of this tint is that आप जितना कम makeup मतलब लगा सको या यूज कर सको डे टू डे लाइफ में, इट वुड बी गुड, राइट? लेट्स फेस इट, आप डेली मेकअप क्या लाइनर और ये सब नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हो, स्पेशली फॉर पीपल लाइक मी हु वर्क इन अ हॉस्पिटल. आई थिंक मैं शायद इतना हैवी मेकअप करके ये टिंट्स ना यूज़ करूँ. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू व्हाट ओकेजन यू आर hearing for. This tint is buildable. If you want more darker tint than this, then it's buildable. You can apply it as much as you want, and I don't think it would disappoint you. The only concern with the tints these days is that whenever we go out, we tend to wear masks. So क्या होता है, आप मास्क पहनते हो तो आपके मास्क में ट्रांसफर हो जाता है. तो this is not something which everyone would like. Of course, nobody would like it. But the thing about this tint is that if I do like this, you know, I don't know whether you can see on camera or not, but प्रोडक्ट इतना ट्रांसफ़र हो नहीं रहा है मेरे हाथों में जितना होना चाहिए. तो मास्क हम लोग बिल्कुल टाइटली तो पहनते नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि हल्का हल्का टच होता है. तो आई डोंट थिंक इट वुड ट्रांसफ़र बहुत ज़्यादा. सो इट्स अ फेयर डील इफ़ यू इन्वेस्ट योर मनी ऑन दिस, आई सपोज. So what I did was I took some clippings outside my house so that you can see very clearly कि ये tint actual में face पे कैसा लगता है. And I think you are liking the results, and this is the clipping which I took inside my house. थोड़ी बहुत बस सनलाइट मेरे फेस पे पड़ रही है और एक्स्ट्रा लाइट मैंने कुछ यूज़ नहीं करी है. आई होप दीज क्लिपिंग्स हेल्प यू आउट इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि ये टिंट एक्चुअल में लगता कैसा है, दिखता कैसा है. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like my content, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Till then, bye bye.